Go, go, go. Go ahead, work man. Look, nice and slow. He gonna get stuck, nigga. Oh no, he got it. Traction, traction. that nigga nodded his head to me. He's like, yeah.
Watch this way.
Oh, minivan.
Who's
Look for some aerodynamic freaking.
You gonna shoot the moon?
Oh, they came out with the shovel. See, that's what you got. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
You gotta drive around with your own Mexican in the back.
They are Mexican.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you zooming in?
Yeah.
I had to get zooming in too.
See, you gotta drive around with your own Mexican in the trunk, nigga.
Yeah,
Like, yo, get out, get to work.
You what? Pan out, pan out.
Go, go. Ah, once this shit she clears here.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. Go, go, go. Oh shit, I'm ready to die. Like, oh shit. Push me out the way. Oh shit, another one. Go, 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 go.
Wait, he got forward drive.
You got momentum, no reason to slow him down. Oh, damn, this shit is thick as hell. Yeah, my fucking foot just went in like, that's like a 7 inches.